So Matt,
Yes.
question I've been dying to ask you.
Yes.
What really grinds your gears in the access control industry?
Okay, so there's two things that grind my gears. One of them is your mustache.
That's not going away.
Number two is, and I've said this before, and I'm gonna say it again, I know it's a bit controversial, I am tired of the competition or perceived competition in this industry. Everybody thinks they own their lane and they own their market, and we have to draw these really clear and direct lines, and nobody can dip their toe over the line. And I think we're doing a disservice to the industry by taking that approach. I think we all need to partner more. We need to have conversations that are maybe uncomfortable to have. We need to figure our way into new markets, and we need to partner with the people that we think are our competitors. Because at the end of the day, it is a huge industry. There is opportunity and room for everyone here. We just need to break down some of these preconceived notions.
Do you agree? Do you disagree? Do you have a different hot take? Leave a comment below, and we'll see you on the next one.